Welcome on my YouTube channel. So dear friends, I have now here on the table very rare old Czechoslovak Tesla speaker box, small two-way Tesla ARS 710. It looks rather similar like this type. This is 810 or 811, depends on the impedance, but never mind. When there is different impedance, 4 or 8 ohms, it looks similar. The dimension from side to side is similar, but this 710 is a little higher. But the main difference is the depth of the box, and I must say they are very rare. In this case, by this piece and also by this, we can find the year of production from the back label, because the back label starts with 72. 720527, so the year 1972, and the piece is 527 in the production line. And to confirm it, here is a printed label, 19th of April 1972. So we have now 2025, so it's 53 years old, if I count it correctly. And in this case, this is the number starts 74, and here is printed 1974. So by these types we can find from the back label the year of production, but it's not usual by the Tesla boxes. They are equipped or they are mounted two speakers, the legendary Tesla ARZ 369, 4 ohms, 3 watts only. You could see it at the beginning of the video. 3 watts, and the tweeter Tesla ARV 081, also 4 ohms, and in front of tweeter is the Tesla TC473 MP capacitor 4 microfarad. And I must say, I love these boxes, because this type is small, so this is the best sounding and from such a dimension, from such a small dimension, the best sounding Tesla speakers ever made. These are bigger and sounding better, but I love it. But I have now only one piece, and this pair is not in good condition. They need some repair, maintenance, service. This is in working condition. So let's try the sound, but there are no screws now in the box, so I will put back all the screws, and then let's evaluate the sound. So all screws are back in the box, so let's try it. Next track. So, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.